Ever wondered what the universe sounds like? Stick around to discover the symphony of the stars. You might think space is silent, but NASA's deep space probes have captured something incredible. These are actual sounds from space, transformed from electromagnetic vibrations into audio we can hear. From the haunting song of a black hole to the eerie chorus of Jupiter's moons, each sound tells a mysterious story of the cosmos. Curious about what causes these sounds? It's all about vibrations moving through the cosmic void, captured by ultra-sensitive instruments aboard space missions. If you're fascinated, you're not alone. Hit like, dive into the comments, and let's chat about these cosmic melodies. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing space content.